Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Success is the key and I'm baby mama D, but success is the test to be nothing but the best. How y'all doing today YouTube? I'm going to be doing a voiceover. Today I'm going to try to succeed because I'm a successful sister or trying to do my own nails. So I hope y'all really like this video. So part one of my video, it's gonna be a total fail because the glue wouldn't come out for some reason. And I was tripping, I was like, why won't this glue come out this darn bottle? But you will see in a little bit that the glue did not cooperate with me. But y'all will be seeing how I do my own nails with baking soda. I watched a video on YouTube. I think her name is Christina Culture. She did an amazing job on her nails. She's been doing nails for a while. But look at the designs on this nail. See that? I did a really good job, guys. I never did nails before. I probably did like the Kiss acrylic kit probably before with my nails. But other than that, I never did my nails before. But when I seen her do her nails with baking soda, I was like, oh, bro. I'm trying this for real. I'm definitely about to try this. So, in this little container, I got like some jewels, some little diamonds that you can put on your nails. Got like hearts and stars, all different kind of little jewels you can put on your nails. And I put a couple on my nails. I think I messed up my nails. I should have never put too many jewels. I put way too many jewels on my nails. But that's the baking soda. You guys will see here in a little bit how you do your nails with baking soda. And I know this is used for your toes, but I'm definitely about to use that for my fingers. Show lives. Alright, so now this is the Kiss kit that my girlfriend brought me. I told her that I wanted to start doing nails, and she brought me this Kiss kit. It's a drill kit. It's amazing. It has a dryer on the bottom of it. It's just an amazing kit. You don't really have to use this to do the baking soda nails, but I would suggest you get this because this drill kit really helps smooth out your nails. I really love this drill kit. It's one of the best ones I've ever used. Let me stop because I never used one before. Period. But ain't y'all tired of people saying the word period poo? No, I know y'all ain't. Period. Let me stop. Okay, so this is just the white nail tips, and then I got clear nail tips. I'm gonna be trying to use the clear nail kit on my nails. I think my nails came out fabulous, honey. I feel like I could have did a little bit more better, but I really love it. So let's get into it. Okay. So I'm gonna open it. Try to open it. Okay, got them open. And let me see. So this thing right here, you can cut your nails down to whatever length that you want. I love it. I didn't use that at all. I also have nail scissors, like the real skinny nail scissors. I actually use those to do my nails instead. I hope you guys are getting like used to me posting more videos. I've been trying to post more videos more lately because consistency is the key. And these right here are stickers. You can do different designs on your nails. I also use some of these stickers to do the different designs on my nails. I want to do different designs on the nails that I did today. I want to do it so bad, but I'm gonna wait. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it some time. But, yeah, let's do this. This thing right here is a stamper. You use it to stamp different designs on your nails, but for some reason mine is not working at all. A waste of money, to be honest. I guess I'm probably not even doing it right, but who knows? This is the pad that you use to do the stamp designs. All I really did was just use the stickers and I put them over my nails and I just painted over it. I was like, hey, this works. But yeah, you guys get the idea. You get it. I think it was working in the beginning when I first tried to use it at first, but it didn't work. But yeah, you guys get the idea of what it's used for. It's a design stamper, sticker stamper, whatever you want to call it. You can call it really whatever you want to call it, to be honest. So, I think I broke it. Not sure. It just feels, it's so jelly. It feels kind of like a little bit like slime. But it's not slime. This video is 20 minutes long. 20 minutes and 49 seconds long. Trust me, I did not try to make this video this long. I just failed in doing my nails in the beginning. But, I don't even know why I try to use that one, because that ain't have nothing in it. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let's get into this. I'm attempting to put the nail glue on. It's not coming out. So I'm gonna try to clip it down some more. See if that works. Okay, let's try this. As you guys can see, it did not work for me at all. Like, it was really messy. Oh my god, it was getting on my nerves. It was really making me upset. You guys, so this is part 2 of me attempting to do baking soda nails. In the background, you will see me watching my favorite show of all times, Power. I am on season 6, the final season. And boy, when I come to tell you, this is the best season that I have watched yet. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to put the tips on first. And after that, I will show you guys what I do next. I don't really want to spoil Power, but if you're a real Power fan, who all thought Angela Valdez was going to die? I thought she was going to die in season 5. I was not expecting it to be. You know what I'm saying? Their daughter. Did their daughter die in season 4 or 5? One of them. She died in season 4, I think. Because season 5 is when they retaliated and got revenge. But if you're a real Power fan, comment down below if you already thought in season 5 that Valdez was going to get killed. I didn't know it was going to go down like that, but I knew. I never expected for Kanan to die. I didn't think Kanan was going to die. But yeah, I'm going to put all the tips on first. And then I'm going to start doing applying the glue and applying the baking soda to the nail. Just to give it some kind of coat. Y'all see my Tennessee head? I be trying to represent the Tennessee nowadays. But I did want to let y'all know something extreme that I did. I'm gonna whisper it to y'all. I don't really think it's anybody's business, but I'm gonna stop this right now. I'm gonna let nobody know nothing right now. So it ain't nobody's business, baby. Hush your mouth. Hush your mouth. So right here, I'm just still applying the tips to my nails.
Listen, drugs. You dealing drugs in this place? No.
Trust me, this is gonna be a success.
Okay?
I also have a clip of a picture of the jewel that I put on there. That's the baking soda that I'm using. And then this is just going ahead and applying the tips. So yeah, this was totally fun. I really enjoyed myself. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I'm not gonna lie, like the girl Christina Culture said, a lot of people were saying that it was burning, and it does burn a little bit. But I noticed that if you keep continuing to dip your nail once you apply the glue to it in the powder, it won't burn. So basically, boo, you gotta know what you're doing. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun doing this. And so right now, making sure that I get a thick coat on top of the nails. You want to make sure that you have a thick coat on it. Oh my god, y'all. So I just watched an episode on Power that I was really not expecting. Super, super sad. Like, I definitely wasn't expecting this to happen. But as you guys can see, I'm still just trying to think of my coat on my nails. And I'm gonna get them as thick as I can. Hopefully, this is the last one that I have to fill in on my actual nail. But like I said, I really love how my nails turned out. They turned out super, super cute. So freaking proud of myself for doing this. So proud. So right about now, I'm gonna cut my nails into a coffin, the shape that I actually like and want on my nails. And then once I do that, I'm gonna shape them a little bit with the flour, like shape them down some. And then that's when I'm gonna go ahead and apply the top coat on the actual top of the nail. So, yeah. Alright, so I got them as thick as I wanted them. Right now, you're going to see me actually file them down, get them to the shape that I want them. They're like really chunky right now, it looks like. You know how when you cook fried chicken and you like actually applying the seasoning and the egg and all that on the chicken, and you actually put it inside the flour and you toss your chicken inside the flour. That's exactly what these nails look like right now, boo. Okay, so right now I think I shaved them down pretty good, but I think I could do a little bit better than that. I'm going to do a lot better than that. I can't wait till y'all see the designs on these nails, honey. To die for. What color was I going for? I was going for the Tennessee color, the orange and white. Yeah. This is my drill. The light comes with it. I love this drill. But right now, what I'm doing right now is I am smoothing down my nail as much as I can. And I can't wait till you guys see the finished results. So as you guys can see, I'm still shaving them down, getting them as smooth as I can. This is as smooth as I feel like that I can get them. And I'm going to file them down some more to get them down even more, a little bit more smoother. I think I want to get them as smooth as I can to apply the fingernail polish to it so it can look a little decent. Yeah. So I got them down as smooth as I can. This is the other hand that I did before with the baking soda. They're orange and red already. I already went ahead and painted them. But I feel like this is as smooth as that I could get them down. Here is the aftermath, and it was definitely a success. Love them.